Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Know whether your ISP provides a static IP or DHCP, the gateway address, and DNS. Next, plug the ISP cable into the designated WAN port and verify the link LED. Physical connectivity prevents wasted troubleshooting. Then log into the Fortigate GUI or use the console if GUI is unreachable. Once done, set the WAN interface IP and gateway. This gives the firewall a path to the internet and establishes the foundational routing you will use. Now configure the LAN interface with a static IP and subnet that matches your internal network, and enable DHCP if clients need automatic addressing. Then create an IP4 firewall policy from LAN to WAN. Explicitly allow services you need such as HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, and enable NAT so private addresses translate to the WAN IP. Make sure to apply appropriate security profiles like antivirus and web filter only after initial connectivity. This prevents overblocking, whilst to finish, test end-to-end connectivity. From the FortiGate, ping a public IP such as 8.8.8.8 and confirm domain name resolution to validate DNS. Then check policy counters to confirm traffic matches your LAN to WAN rule, review the routing table for a default route, and scan system logs for interface or authentication errors. If something fails, make sure NAT is enabled, the default gateway matches the ISP, the physical link is up, and any PPPoE or ISP credentials are correct. This single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.